Watch closely. A tiny bird. A woodpecker. Nothing extraordinary at first glance. But with every strike of its beak against the tree, it teaches us one of life's greatest lessons. It doesn't stop after one attempt. It doesn't quit after 10. It keeps going over and over, believing that one day that tree will give way. That's resilience. That's perseverance. And isn't that exactly how life works? Obstacles don't break because we tap them once. Dreams don't fall into our hands after a single try. Success doesn't arrive on the first knock. But if we keep going strike after strike, day after day, the impossible begins to move. The unshakable starts to bend. What once felt too strong to break slowly gives way to persistence. The woodpecker doesn't doubt itself. It doesn't compare with other birds. It simply trusts the process because it knows breakthroughs aren't sudden. They're earned through consistency. So whatever your tree is, your goals, your struggles, your pain, don't give up after a few strikes. Keep pressing. Keep showing up. Keep chipping away. Because one day, just like this woodpecker, your effort will break through. And when it does, the world will look at you and say, that was impossible. But you will know it was perseverance all along.